Hello everyone! In today's video, we will explore the topic of viewing private Instagram accounts without following them. So, let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap to launch it. Once the app is open, click on the search icon to access the search bar. In the search bar, enter the username of the private account you want to view. Upon finding the account in the search results, tap on it to open the profile. As you can see, the account is marked as private, and it is mentioned that you need to follow the account to view their photos and videos. It's important to note that currently, there is no legitimate method to view a private account without following it. While there may be various methods or videos on platforms like YouTube or Google claiming to provide such a solution, it's advised to be cautious, as some might be scams or even attempts to hack your Instagram account. To view the content of a private account, the standard procedure is to tap on the Follow button to send a follow request. Once the request is accepted, you will be able to see their photos and videos. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.